And now here's something that's not part of silly stretching, but it's an exercise that I offer that you do in the shower at a red light. It's an exercise to strengthen your neck. This is from a different workshop called Body and Mind that I do. Take your hand, put it on your forehead. Now push into your hand for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now take your hand, put it behind the back of your head, push into your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. You feel your neck muscles tighten? Take your hand, put it on the side of your head, push into your head. 1, 2, hand 3, 4, 5. Relax. And now one more time. Switch, push, 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 relax. Do that for maybe 30 seconds a day to improve your chances of having your neck be stronger and have less pain, especially if you ever get into a car accident, somebody hits you from behind, because, God forbid, they were actually watching the road instead of, watching their phone, and then what happens is your neck goes back and forth, and the only thing that keeps your vertebrae from not sliding around is when your neck muscles contract.